talked to one guy down on the main road, and he has a box right on his porch, and he doesn't get to see it. How's it going? No problem.
Really well. What is this guy?
I was told earlier. Some sort of waterboard. I've forgotten a lot of these. A lot of these we just pulled out of the Mark's like cupboard back there, and so I've never seen not a lot of them before. But yes, I don't know what that is. Sort of hawk or something. I met your dad.
Yeah.
So, nice guy. Is he still here?
I think
Wandering around.
he's just left.
Yes. I hear you're getting your car serviced.
I'm working on my car.
Yeah.
Typical clovers and things like that. Lots of grasses. Well, the plots themselves, I was just telling the last name that I'm pretty surprised. We went back to Wirefence. I haven't been there in 2 or 3 weeks, and I can't even see the plots anymore because everything has gone up so high. We were there when I don't mind.
Great name too.
Yeah, it's
So angry about like you don't hear the word but sometimes
they like to have those.
that is quite protestant. In Canada,
He's upside down.
the rain turned upside down.
Oh my God! I see it. Yeah. Go for it. Yeah, he used to be upright.
It's like a great big
Well, one is that behavior and also aggression so we're spending time here because there are lakes that are closed season, lakes that are like not as a closed season, but still get some fishing in the summer. And then we have a number of lakes that have never been fished. So we're doing that. In fact, working here is great because there is no purpose to it, so we do most of our work. Fish preserve, they have a number of things. It's almost all trout fishing there, which is what they have going for their guests. There are bass lakes there. We have an experimental management regime where some lakes here and some lakes there. We have one year they're fished during the spawning season and we control that fishing. The next year there's absolutely no fishing. check from the year before this year to see. And here's the difference. With fishing during this morning season. So that's actually a lot only outdone by round lakes. Believe me.
You think we do? Yeah, the top of this Thank you. Oh, it was like a little dragon. These are similar to dragonflies. So dragonflies, you know, Mars are in the water. Yeah, so they're very similar to. And they have cool names. And then we've got some crayfish. Oh, and then green depth.
Oh, you hold a crayfish.
More fun when they have cool names. Cool names.
Okay, so unlike us who have our skeletons inside us and can grow, they have to shed. Because I don't want that to touch me.
He feels like he's not even alive just because he can hardly, he just doesn't have the, there you go.
No words.
You have to be very gentle because he's just very vulnerable.
Ocular
Can't
loop.
even hardly
Remember, you had to
move
put it
out
under
of
the
water.
flame each time.
Which one of these things really drives these? Oh my goodness. No difference in relation. And I have no differences in comparison. But I found a strong differences in this texture. Lumberjack shows where they're jumping. Makes sense, huh?
Okay, yeah, for sure. My PhD sort of project is outlined here. So I've been in Lonnie's lab since I was a volunteer in 2008, I guess, and then I did my honors thesis and my master's with Lonnie as well. So what this is looking at is, I guess one of the main questions I'm looking at is, does plant species body size predict seedling establishment in herbaceous vegetation? So traditional theory would predict that plants that have a bigger body size are going to be the ones that have the better seedling establishment because they're better competitors, they're better at getting the resources out of the soil, things like that. But plant body size distributions are strongly right skewed at virtually any scale, between species, within species. the genus level. So most plants are actually small. So it's kind of a paradox, I guess. If there's so many advantages to having a large plant body size, then why are there so many small plants? So what I'm doing is I'm making these, or I already have these sleeves in the ground that are 60 centimeters in diameter and about 10 inches high. So I had to dig a trench to sort of set them in the ground and then fill it back in. So this will stop roots from outside of the plot from getting into the center. And then I'm going to kill the existing resident plants with Roundup, and I'm going to sow seeds in there that I will collect over the course of the summer. And the prediction, if traditional theory is correct, is that those seeds that I plant there, the species that have the bigger body size will be the ones that have more plants reach reproductive maturity in the following year. Okay. Whereas my prediction is the exact opposite, so it's going to be species with the smaller body size that are actually, and that might shed some light on this species body size paradox. So I have 100 of those plots set up at the Bracken Tract in Westport, and then I have another 100 of them set up in Wire Fence Field, just past Flip Railroad on a Pinacon. Okay.
Hey, George. George. You know who this guy is? This guy's Steve. This guy's
Yeah, 2 red ideas. And then the last one, I forget what you said. It was a warbler, it's yellow.
Oh, buddy,
I'm not sure if it's
you're all right.
How big are your trains? And so we use like a tampon harness. We loop through the legs. And then
There was one that was
Well, plus, 65 years of